In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed only a subset of fonts to reduce file size in PowerPoint. So, let's jump right into it and make sure your presentations remain as efficient as possible without compromising on style or readability. To begin with, you'll need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If you don't already have it open, click on the PowerPoint icon in your applications. Once you're at the main screen, you'll want to either open an existing presentation or create a new one. You can do this by clicking Open to find a saved presentation or New to start from scratch. After your presentation is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a menu that lists various options on the left-hand side. You're now looking for Options, which you should select to proceed further. This brings up a dialog box labeled PowerPoint Options. Here, you'll want to locate the Save tab, which is displayed in the column on the left. Clicking on it will take you into the Save settings for PowerPoint, where you can adjust different parameters related to saving your presentations. Now, focus on the section titled Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. This is where you'll make some important choices regarding font embedding. Check the box labeled Embed fonts in the file. This ensures that anyone who opens your presentation will be able to view it with the fonts you've chosen. But here's where we put the spotlight on reducing the file size. Beneath that checkbox, you'll see two options. Select Embed only the characters used in the presentation. This means you're embedding just the characters that actually appear in your slides, rather than the entire font set. By doing this, you can significantly cut down on the file size, especially if you're working with several different fonts or those with extensive character sets. Once you've selected this option and you're satisfied that everything is set correctly, go ahead and click OK to save your changes. And there you have it. Your presentation is now optimized with only the necessary subset of fonts embedded. This makes it easier to share and ensures that it won't weigh down your email attachments or fill up precious storage space. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I encourage you to apply these tips to all your future PowerPoint projects to maintain both visual appeal and efficiency. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks in the world of presentations and software.